Heavy-duty trucks need heavy-duty lights. The Hitch bar lighting kit from Race Sport takes it to the next level. This patent-pending design from Race Sport is a total game changer for reverse and perimeter lights. Hitching up the trailer on those hard-working mornings before the sun comes up couldn't be easier. Race Sport puts the lights where you need them, lower to the ground and secure to the hitch. Each side of the hitch houses a 7.5-inch mini high-powered LED floodlight, and each end cap has two 47-degree down-angled marine-grade side lights. No longer will you have to struggle seeing the hitch or surroundings while backing up or walking around your heavy-duty truck. The hitch's stained black powder coat finish is also coated for lasting durability. This unique hitch accessory is built for the long haul from 3-inch by 3-inch, 3/16-inch steel tube construction that matches the stock hitch frame seamlessly. If you're interested in purchasing the Hitch bar lighting kit from Race Sport, or you need help with installation, check out the store locator either on screen or in the description below. Check back for more new videos weekly, and thank you. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.